What's it doing?
It's trying to get my phone. They are funny, isn't
There's
they?
more than two.
Funny looking things, isn't there? Oh, that one's got a poorly mouth. That one's got a poorly mouth, this one. This one's got a big bit took out this side of it.
Oh, yeah.
I don't know.
Why?
Beats on them.
How's it done that?
I don't know.
Haven't they done anything?
Oh, I don't know, and obviously not. It's obviously okay. It's not too bad. They probably rescued it. That one's got big beady eyes. Really big beady eyes.
So let's go and have a look at the dinosaurs. See dinosaurs. There's dinosaurs this way. There's monkeys this way. Yeah, but that's a big dinosaur.
Where, mate?
Go quick.